Hello student, today we started our lecture number 70. Lecture number 70 on topic electrophilic substitution reaction. Lecture number 70. Our topic electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide. Electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide. In last lecture we have seen nucleophilic substitution reaction in aryl halide, and today we have to see the B type of reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide. So let us consider the first reaction, chlorination. So when a chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine, in presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous FeCl3, or Fe in dark as a catalyst. So electrophilic substitution reaction of this halobenzene predominantly occurs at ortho and para position, because electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide occurs at ortho and para position, since this halogen is ortho para director. Halogens in aryl halide is ortho and para directors, means electrophilic substitution reaction either occurs at ortho position or para position. So look at first chlorine. This is the ortho position. These both are the ortho position. So we can either replace the hydrogen from this ortho or this ortho, the ortho position, and reaction with chlorine. From ortho, hydrogen is lost, and from chlorine, Cl. So what losses? HCl. And this hydrogen of ortho is replaced by chlorine. Replaced by this chlorine. So what is the first product? First product is Cl. Chlorine is substituted the hydrogen from ortho position and forming 1,2 dichlorobenzene. 1,2-dichlorobenzene, or is the ortho position with each other? Ortho dichlorobenzene. So what is the IUPAC name? 1,2-dichlorobenzene or ortho dichlorobenzene. Secondly, this chlorine is para director. Hence electrophilic substitution reaction should occur at para position. That's why now we replace the hydrogen from para position. Again Cl, single bond Cl, from hydrogen from para position, and chlorine from Cl2 molecule. So this hydrogen from para position is replaced by this chlorine, and thereby forming a second product Cl, and here chlorine is substituted, this hydrogen. That's why forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,4-dichlorobenzene. 1,4-dichlorobenzene. So here two reactions occur, one for ortho and second for para. That's why I'm taking this is 2 times. Reaction for ortho 1 time and reaction for para 1 time. That's why this is 2 mole and this is also 2 mole. So forming 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene plus 2 times of HCl. Because here H and from this Cl is lost from the para and from ortho, 1 H from ortho and chlorine from Cl to molecule. That's why 2 times of HCl. So first chlorobenzene react with the 1 chlorine molecule, then ortho substitution is occurred, and second chloro is react with another chlorine, para substitution occur, then forming para-dichlorobenzene. Another name of this compound or para-dichlorobenzene. So electrophilic substitution reaction of chlorobenzene occur at ortho position and para position. That's why we have two products, 1,2-dichlorobenzene and second 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Among these two, para is the major product and ortho is minor product. Para is the major and ortho is minor. So chlorination of chlorobenzene gives two products, ortho-dichlorobenzene and para-dichlorobenzene. Why we obtain the two products? Because chlorine is ortho-para director, and that's why electrophilic substitution occurs ortho position and para position. For ortho, we take 1 molecule of chlorobenzene and 1 molecule of chlorine, and for para, we take another molecule of chlorobenzene and another molecule of chlorine. That's why we have 2 times of chlorobenzene and 2 times of chlorine molecule. So as to form a two product, 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Here, 1,4-dichlorobenzene is a major product. This is end of chlorination reaction of chlorobenzene. That is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, second reaction is nitration reaction of chlorobenzene. Nitration. Second, nitration reaction of chlorobenzene. So what is nitration reaction? When chlorobenzene treated with concentrated HNO3, 2 times concentrated in presence of concentrated H2SO4, the mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 is called as a nitrating mixture. So what is the product form? This nitrating mixture when added to chlorobenzene, we taken chlorobenzene 2 times. So one electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at ortho position and second electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at para position. Look at it. We first take chlorobenzene plus first HNO3. HNO3 should be written as OH, NO2. In presence of catalyst H2SO4. So simply electrophilic substitution reaction occur at ortho position. So replace the ortho hydrogen by NO2. So from HNO3 losses the OH and from ortho position H. The H2O loss and this NO2 replace this hydrogen. So forming first product Cl and NO2. So what is first product form? Cl, here NO2 plus H2. Second molecule undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Second molecule of this at para position, because this chlorine is ortho and para directors. That's why first electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at ortho and second occurs at para. So another molecule of HNO3 in presence of catalyst H2SO4. So how do you represent this HNO3? OH NO2. So this hydrogen from para position is replaced by NO2 group. Hydrogen from para position is replaced by NO2 group. Hence product octane chlorine here NO2 plus H2O. So what is another product form? Para nitrochlorobenzene. First is ortho nitrochlorobenzene and second is para nitrochlorobenzene. Para nitrochlorobenzene plus 2 times of H2O. This one, 2 times of H2O. So we have two product obtained in this reaction. One is ortho nitrochlorobenzene and second is para nitrochlorobenzene. Para nitrochlorobenzene is a major product form and ortho nitrochlorobenzene is minor product form in this reaction. Since chlorine is ortho-para-directing group, hence nitration should be occur at the ortho position by replacement of this ortho hydrogen, and electrophilic substitution reaction in second molecule occur at para position by the replacement of para hydrogen by NO2 group by using HNO3. So we have two products, ortho nitrochlorobenzene and para nitrochlorobenzene, among which ortho nitrochlorobenzene is major product. So why we obtain the two product? Because chlorine is ortho and para director. So one should remember this reaction. So this is finished the second reaction of electrophilic substitution type, that is nitration of chlorobenzene. Now next reaction is sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation reaction of chlorobenzene. Third, sulfonation reaction of chlorobenzene. This sulfonation is generally carried out by using fuming sulfuric acid. So here also we get the two products. One is orthosulfonated chlorobenzene and second is parasulfonated chlorobenzene. That we have to look the reaction. We have chlorobenzene 2 times plus H2SO4 2 times. H2SO4 2 times. So what is the first reaction? First chlorobenzene. Then we carried out the substitution reaction at ortho position. This is the ortho position to the chlorine in presence of H2SO4. So what is, how would you write the H2SO4? This is OH, SO3H. H2SO4 written like this. This is fuming H2SO4. So hydrogen is replaced by ortho position, and from H2SO4 losses the OH. So what losses? H2O. And this sulfonic acid group is introduced at ortho position. So what is first product? First product is Cl SO3H plus H2O. So what is the name of this compound? This is the main functional group 1, 2. This is called as sulfonic acid. So it is 2-chloro-sulfonic acid or ortho-chloro-sulfonic acid. So sulfonation at ortho position to the chlorobenzene gives ortho-chloro-sulfonic acid. So what is first product form? First product form is ortho-chloro-sulfonic acid. Now second product, chlorobenzene, second molecule, treated with H2SO4. How would you represent the H2SO4? OH, SO3H. So substitution should be carried out at para position because this chlorine is para directing. So So that's why from para hydrogen is lost, and from sulfuric acid OH. So what losses from this side? H2O, and this SO3H group replaces this hydrogen, so forming another product Cl SO3H, Cl SO3H plus H2O. So what is second product form? Second product is 4-chlorosulfonic acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-chlorosulfonic acid. So second product form 4-chloro. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-chlorosulfonic acid plus 2 times of H2O. This one time, this one time. So a sulfonation of chlorobenzene gives two products, orthochlorosulfonic acid and para-chlorosulfonic acid. This orthochlorosulfonic acid also called as 2-chlorosulfonic acid, and para-chlorosulfonic acid also called as 4-chlorosulfonic acid. The 4-chlorosulfonic acid is the major product, and 2-chlorosulfonic acid is minor product. So para forming a major product in an electrophilic substitution reaction of aryl halide. Aryl halides. That's why when we treated our chlorobenzene with fuming sulfuric acid, that is highly concentrated purified sulfuric acid, in 2:2 ratio, forming orthochlorosulfonic acid and para-chlorosulfonic acid, among which para-chlorosulfonic acid is the major product and water form as a byproduct. So this is end of sulfonation reaction of chlorobenzene. Sulfonation reaction of chlorobenzene. Now, fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. This is very simple electrophilic substitution reaction of chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene 2 times treated with alkyl halide RX. How many times? 2 times. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, aluminum trichloride is a catalyst. Aluminum trichloride is a catalyst. So this chlorine group is a ortho-para-directing. That's why first electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at ortho position, and second electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at para position. So we have two products here. One is ortho-alkylated chlorobenzene and second is para-alkylated chlorobenzene. Look at first chlorobenzene, first molecule plus first molecule of this RX in presence of catalyst anhydrous FeCl3. So from ortho we can lose hydrogen, and from alkyl halide X. So what losses? HX. HX plus this hydrogen replaced by this alkyl group. Hydrogen replaced by alkyl group at ortho position. That's why we introduce here alkyl. So introduction of alkyl group is called as the alkylation reaction. This is alkylation. So forming ortho-alkylated chlorobenzene. So ortho position. Ortho-alkylated chlorobenzene. So similarly, second molecule of chlorobenzene react with alkyl halide, another molecule, in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. So at this time, electrophilic substitution reaction occurs at para position because it is para direct compound. So from that para, hydrogen is replaced, and from alkyl halide X is lost. So what losses from this side? HX plus HX. So what will be the product form? Product form is Cl here R. So forming para-alkylated chlorobenzene. So two products are formed in a chlorine when Friedel-Crafts alkylation is carried out over the chlorobenzene. Two products formed. One is orthochloroalkyl orthochloroalkyl benzene, orthochloroalkyl benzene, and second is para-chloroalkyl benzene along with 2 types of halo acids. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So what does a Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Aryl halide, that is chlorobenzene, treated with alkyl halides. So electrophilic substitution reaction at 2 position, ortho and para position. So we getting ortho alkylated chlorobenzene and para alkylated chlorobenzene. Here para is the major product. Take an example. Suppose we have provided a chlorobenzene, and that treated with the methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So how many times you have to taken these 2 times, because it is ortho and para director. That's why for the orthochlorination, orthomethylation, you take a first chlorine molecule, and para methylation, you take a chlorine molecule. So this is the 2 times, and this is also 2 times. And this is the catalyst, anhydrous AlCl3. So what is product form? Product form is first chlorine plus methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So from ortho position lost the hydrogen, and from methyl chloride chlorine. So methyl is substituted by this hydrogen. Methyl substitute this hydrogen and forming what? Forming this chlorine and here CH3. So forming 2-chlorotoluene. Because this methyl attached to the benzene ring is the main functional group, that's why it is a toluene, it is a 2-chlorotoluene. And secondly, so substitution reaction of chlorobenzene occur at para position. So second molecule of this chlorobenzene here, methyl chloride, anhydrous AlCl3. So what losses? From hydrogen losses from para position and chlorine from methyl chloride. That's why this methyl is introduced at para position. So forming product Cl and here CH3 plus 2 times of Cl. So forming is the main function. 4-chlorotoluene. So in this way, this reaction is useful to carry out substitution reaction at ortho and para position and forming ortho alkylated haloarenes, para alkylated haloarenes, among which para is the main product. So chlorobenzene treated with the methyl chloride, undergoes methylation at ortho and para position and forming 2-chlorotoluene and para-chlorotoluene. Among which para-chlorotoluene is a major product and ortho-chlorotoluene is minor product. Para is the major product and ortho is minor product. This is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. For your homework, I give a few examples to solve. You can solve it and send the personal WhatsApp group number to me. Suppose I provided a bromobenzene to you, and you have to give an ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Predict the product. Suppose you provided bromobenzene, and here provided CH3Br and anhydrous AlCl3. Predict the product. So predict these 2 products. This is first reaction and this is second. For homework. The name is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Finish the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now we move towards the last and important Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Fifth one, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So this is a cis reaction of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Just in alkylation we introduce alkyl group. So in acylation we introduce this group RC double bond O group to the benzene ring. So it is called acyl group. So we have to introduce acyl group in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So again we have taken a chlorobenzene. How many times? 2 times. One for the ortho substitution and second for the para electrophilic substitution. And second, acylating agent we taken here acyl halide. How many times? 2 times. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst. So what is the product form? First, electrophilic substitution reaction occur at ortho position. That's why taken ortho. First one molecule of chlorine plus acyl halide one molecule RC double bond X in presence of catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. So what losses from this chlorobenzene? From ortho hydrogen and from acyl halide halogen. So HX is losses. And this acyl group is introduced at ortho position. So we have chlorine here and here C double bond O R remaining group. Hydrogen replaced by this acyl group. Bond is broken from CH side. That's why we attach this carbon to carbonyl group. Hence we have C double bond O R. It is called as orthochloro acylated benzene. Orthochloroacylated benzene. Second, now reaction of that plus what? HX. This is the first product form. There is aromatic ketone. Then second reaction, chlorobenzene is the occur at para position because it is para director, and another molecule of acyl halide RC double bond O X in presence of catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. So from para position hydrogen is lost, and from acyl halide X losses HX, just similar to the ortho substitution. We have para substituted product here Cl here C double bond O R. This is para chloroacylated benzene. Para-chloroacylated benzene. So two product form. One is orthochloroacylated benzene. Second is para-chloroacylated benzene. Plus 2 times of HX. So aromatic ketone is formed in a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. First, hydrogen replaced from ortho by X by RC double bond O group, therefore forming orthochloroacylated benzene, and second chlorine molecule chlorobenzene react with the acyl halide in presence of AlCl3. So para hydrogen is replaced by this acyl group, that is forming para-chloroacylated benzene. So here two product form, out of which para is a major product and ortho is minor. So taken one more example that we have to solve. Friedel-Crafts calculation example. Suppose we treated a chlorobenzene 2 times with acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride. So how many times we taken here? 2 times. Because 2 times of chlorobenzene react with 2 2 times of acyl halide. Similarly, 2 times of chlorobenzene react with 2 times of acyl chloride. In presence of a catalyst, anhydrous AlCl3 is act as a catalyst. So what is the product form? First substitution reaction at occur ortho position and second is at para. So product are, what is product? Cl, C double bond to CS3 plus second Cl, C double bond to CS3 plus 2 times of SCl. So this is the main functional group. This is second. So what is name of this compound? Is called as acetophenone. Ketone, aromatic ketone. Acetophenone. So 2-chloroacetophenone. 2-chloroacetophenone is formed. And what is second product? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-chloroacetophenone. 4-chloroacetophenone. So which is the major product form? 4-chloroacetophenone is the major and 2-chloroacetophenone is minor. So ortho is a minor product and para is major product. This is the reaction called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. For your homework, I provide few examples and you have to solve that under the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Suppose provided the bromobenzene suppose, and it is treated with CS3, CS2, C double bond to Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3. This is called the propanol chloride. Propanol chloride. So what is the product form? Predict major and minor product. And second, chlorobenzene treated with benzoyl chloride. This is benzoyl chloride. So in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 heating, use product A and B, predict major and minor. This is for the homework. So send me your answers on personal WhatsApp contact. I will solve your answer if you are not getting that properly. So try to solve these two examples. This is end of electrophilic substitution reaction. Only one part is remaining of halogen derivative, that is application of some halogen derivatives. That tomorrow lecture I will finish the chapter as well as the point. Thank you.